Cumbersome. Large or heavy and therefore difficult to carry or use. Example: the cumbersome package was hard to move. Garrulous. Talks a lot, even about unimportant things. Example: the garrulous old man told stories that never seemed to end. Incredulous. Not wanting or not able to believe something. Example: she gave him an incredulous look when he told her the news. Wistful. Feeling a sense of wistful regret or longing. Example: she looked back at her childhood home with a wistful smile. Brusque. He speaks or acts in a way that's sudden and not very thoughtful. Example: his brusque response made him feel unwelcome. Disdainful. Showing that you don't care or don't respect someone. Example: she gave a disdainful look at the poorly dressed man. Dauntless. Showing fearlessness and determination. Example: the dauntless explorer ventured into the uncharted jungle. Elusive. Difficult to find, catch, or achieve. Example: the criminal stayed elusive even though many people were searching for him everywhere. Heinous. Extremely bad or evil, especially when talking about a crime. Example: the court sentenced the criminal for his heinous acts. Irate. Feeling very angry or full of intense anger. Example: the irate customer demanded to speak to the manager. Knavish. Dishonest or unscrupulous can be rephrased as someone who isn't honest or plays dirty. Example: the knavish merchant tried to cheat his customers. Lethargic. Feeling tired, slow, and not interested in anything. Example: he felt lethargic after staying up late the night before. Mischievous. Likes to cause a little trouble just for fun. Example: the mischievous child hid his sister's toys. Obsolete. no longer produced or used, out of date. Example, the company phased out the obsolete technology. Petulant. Childishly sulky or bad-tempered. Example, the petulant child threw a tantrum when he didn't get his way. Reverent. Feeling or showing deep and solemn respect. Example, the audience was reverent during the memorial service. Sanguine. Optimistic or positive, especially in a bad or difficult situation. Example, despite the challenges, he remained sanguine about the future. Trivial. It's not very valuable or important. Example, they argued over the most trivial details of the plan. Uptight. Feeling anxious or angry in a tense and overly controlled manner. Example, he was always uptight about meeting deadlines. Voracious. Wanting or eating a lot of food, being very excited or enthusiastic about something. Example, she was a voracious reader, finishing books in just a few days. Ambivalent. Having different or conflicting feelings or thoughts about something or someone. Example, she felt ambivalent about moving to a new city. Audacious. Showing a willingness to take surprisingly bold risks. Example, the audacious plan required careful execution. Belligerent. Unfriendly and ready to argue. Example, his belligerent behavior led to a fight at the bar. Furtive. Attempting to avoid notice or attention, typically because of guilt or a belief that discovery would lead to trouble. Example, the thief cast a furtive glance before sneaking into the house. Kinetic. Connected to or caused by movement. Example, the kinetic sculpture moved gracefully in the wind. Harried. Feeling overwhelmed because people keep making demands on you and it's starting to feel like harassment. Example, the harried mother struggled to keep up with her children's needs. Candid. Truthful and straightforward, frank. Example, he was candid about the challenges they would face. Gaudy. Very bright and flashy, often in a way that seems too much or a bit tacky. Example, the house was decorated with gaudy ornaments for the holidays. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.